Perkenalkan, nama saya Teresa selaku Head of Marketing dari PT BSH Home Appliances. Pada kesempatan kali ini, saya sangat senang karena bisa berkolaborasi dengan Yayasan Kanker Anak Indonesia untuk charity auction kita yang bertemakan Food for Hope. Alasan kita memilih tema ini karena kami ingin memberikan harapan bagi anak-anak pejuang kanker bahwa sakit yang saat ini diderita oleh mereka bukanlah akhir dari segalanya. Masih banyak harapan yang menanti di masa depan mereka.
I also want to quickly just give one message about this entire initiative. So around the world, BOSCH has initiatives in health, in education, as well as sustainability. In Indonesia as well, our attempt is to keep these initiatives going. So this is just the start. Impact cannot be made with one initiative. So we look forward to many such initiatives from the House of BOSCH, and we look forward to partnering with all of you on these initiatives as they go. So thank you very much for being here, and I'm really glad to be a part of this together.